Hey, what's going on YouTube? Ty with another video, and today's video topic is about how to use negative energy from home or in your job and put that energy in towards your business. Now, how do you take the negative vibe from your job and use it to put it to good use? And I use myself for example. My job gets on my nerves a lot. They love the nitpick all the time. They love to finger point, blame, deflect, nitpick, find small things to complain about and dwell on the small things versus the big things. I just don't like that at all. How they do certain stuff, and it bothers me. It just gets on my nerves, and it's like every day you come to work and it's always something. It's always something you're doing wrong. It's always something wrong. It's never you did a good job with this, or good job with that, or we appreciate the hard work you do. It's always, why do you do this? Why do you do that? You fix all the big problems they had, and they find some small problem that doesn't even make a difference, but they want to dwell on the small stuff. So how do you take the energy, that vibe? Because instead of being pissed off at the job, what you should be doing, what I do, is take that negative vibe and use it to fuel you to get out of that situation. See, the more, now I'm getting to a point where I kind of like them pointing the fingers at me. I like the fact that they blame, deflect, finger point, nitpick, because it just pushes me further to do more YouTube videos and do more blog posts and to promote my blog and make money from my blog. That way it does to me. Because if my job or your job was easy, you never got blamed for anything, you never get in trouble, it's easy work, you wouldn't be so motivated to do more content because you're relaxed all day. You're not pissed off. You're not, maybe I'm different, but I'm just saying, if I had an easier job, I wouldn't be so pissed off. I'm ready to get the hell up out here. I'm ready to find something new. I'm tired of getting blamed. They'll add more fuel to the fire when they finger point and blame, deflect, and nitpick. Nitpick is just taking the smallest little thing and making it a big thing, which in reality is not. So that's what I would do. I would take all the negative vibe from your job or from home. You get negative vibes from home. Just use that energy to propel you in your own business. Use that to work harder. Use the nitpick, the negativity from your job to work harder to leave that company and keep that goal in mind. And now, why I hear these negative things that the people in my job say, or the bosses say, or they be real nasty with people and making new rules up, they say, hey, look, you know what? All you're doing is pushing me further out the door. That's all. That's all you're doing. Because if the job was like so negative and so nitpicky and so pretty much negative, I could have stayed here and still did my online business and everything was fine. The first opportunity I get with my blog, I'm gone from the job. So they kind of screw themselves by being negative, being finger pointing, blame, deflect, nitpick, finding the smallest little thing that doesn't matter to make a mountain of a mole. And that's what I do. The more they nitpick and finger blame and blame, deflect, the more it fuels me to do more work, the more fuels to do more YouTube videos, to do more blog posts. Because like Gary Vee said, one video can make you. One blog post can make you. One blog post can make you a lot of money every month, but you got to put the content out there for it to happen. So just use that negative energy in a good way. Use the negative energy to do something positive. Make your goal this year to get out the job. Make it a goal. You know what? To keep blaming me for everything, keep being negative towards me. I'm not going to be here forever. And that's my motto now. They can nitpick and finger point and blame, deflect all they want. I know when I get home, I'm working on something that we're bigger than this job. I'm working on something that's going to help me leave this job for good, have my own business, and I'll be the boss, and I can make my own rules however I see fit. They're pushing me out the door. So just take the negative and turn it to a positive and do more blog posts. So now I'm more like, you know what? I'm gonna do more YouTube videos. Now this week I've been doing like, I think this past Wednesday I did 3 videos and Monday I did 2. I supposed to do 1 a day, but they kept nitpicking. I just kept doing more content. The more I do, the more nitpick, the more content I push out there, the more views I get. And that's the way it is. Take the negative stuff in your life, what's bothering you, turn it and use the energy towards something else so you get out of that situation. If you don't have money and you're tired of being broke and not having money for whatever, that should fuel you to do something different, to start a channel, do something different. So that's how you get out of what I get out of. This is how you use that negative energy from this pretty much from your job. That you love your job, no pun intended. This don't bother or refer to you. It don't refer to you. Sorry, but to take the energy they give you, the negative energy, and use that towards something else. Build that business you want to do for so long. Because it's only so much you can take. Either you're going to take it or not take it. That's the key. Either you're going to take it or not take it. Are you going to find a new job? Or you have a chance going through the same thing. So I'll take it right now for what it's worth. Take it, use it, put towards something else that's gonna take this one little thing. It'll be small, but get bigger and bigger and bigger over time. And then you can just quit your job and do this thing over here and make it even bigger. So that's it for my video. Bottom line, just to take the negative stuff in life, or mainly at work, and use that energy towards something else. Put it towards building something else. Now I don't even get mad no more. And to be honest with you, the more they nitpick me, the more that people who are on top of me nitpick and focus on the small things, the more I smile. Like they just don't know that I'm leaving here in like 6 months. They just don't know that with a nitpicking I'm building a business. They just don't know that could have been a real asset to the company. They treat me right, but I'm gonna take myself and give myself to my own business and treat that well. They just don't know. See, you got to believe it also. It's not only just doing the work. You got to believe it. You got to know in your heart, what I'm doing now will replace my income in the future. I got to put the work in every single day. So if you believe it, it can happen. If you put the work in, I do a video every day. I do a video every single day. I do not stop. I do a video every day. And I try to do a blog post every day. But right now, I do a blog post every other day. But I do a YouTube video every single day. Non-stop. No matter what's going on, I do a YouTube video. And that's what you got to do. So take the negative energy, use that towards something else. Use it towards your business. Use it towards what are you trying to build online. Keep it back in your mind. This thing I'm building in the background, it's going to overtake this job that anybody can do. This job that it was good in the beginning, but now you guys being hypercritical and stuff. So that's it for my video. That's the end of the video. TopFitXKing.com. If you relate to the message, give me a thumbs up. If you relate to the message, comment below. Take the negative stuff people give you from job. Build something else, get out the job. Thanks for watching.